guys, I'm really bright. And she is too. So we are going to do the cinnamon challenge.
Yay.
And cinnamon.
Alright, here. Who's going first?
We are both going at the same time.
Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna go. Usually how to do it. Here, I'm good.
Yeah, you do it.
Alright, look. Here's our spoon. Oh, at least it smells good, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty. Here, hold that.
Guess it's a little I have to do more than that. Like, yeah.
Enough? Let's see. Let's see. Very...
Wait.
Honestly, there's... Oh,
Wait, we need a cup of water. We'll get down. We will get a cup of water.
she's gonna go and get a cup of water. 2 cups, please. We're about to see what this cinnamon can actually do to you. So I guess the challenge is that you have to try to attempt to swallow it. But, oh wait, this one needs more. What is this one? Alright, yeah, we got a lot. Okay. She needs to get the water. Here she comes. I'm gonna get all this cinnamon off the... Alright, I need cinnamon off the table.
What does it matter? We're outside.
I don't know, it's bothering me.
Okay, there.
Alright. Are you ready?
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, we should probably get those water down so that we don't...
And I think we shall go in the grass. Or no.
We can. Alright, here.
Just like turn around.
No, here, go like this. Just move this.
Okay.
Alright. Here, let's sit.
We're gonna sit while doing this?
Yeah.
Just
Over here, finger. Alright.
Here we go.
Who's going first?
We're going at the same time.
We're going at the same time. Yee.
Stop. We're going at the same
It's
time.
on my finger.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's not coming off the spoon. You have to do it at the camera. I still have to do me. Alright, might as well go now. I'll turn this way so that if I spit it out like she just did. Is it bad? Is it bad? Okay, your eyes are watering. I'm guessing that means bad. Alright, I got this. Can I do this? My turn?
You may run into the grass, so... Go on the grass, go on the grass, go on the grass.
I got this. It's not swallowing. It's sticking in my mouth, man. I thought you guys said this would be bad.
You have to drink it.
I tried to.
Drink it. No, drink that. Drink it. Oh, it's nasty. Stop doing it on the porch.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, grass for a reason.
Ew, it's in my drink.
Oh, that's sick.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. Ew. It's all the way in the back of your toe.
That's a gag.
Alright, I think we're done.
Looks like I'm throwing up. No, don't throw them on the freaking... What are you doing? We need to get my dad to do this.
That would be awesome.
Hilarious.
Okay, we have just done the cinnamon challenge.
Oh, that was nasty.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was, 'cause I tried not to think about it. And it worked. We should do it again.
I thought about it. Wait, you want to do it again?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Oh, there's some on your teeth. Okay, we'll do it again.
Ew, there is some on my teeth. Ew.
Okay, we'll do it again, but we're not doing it on video. So, bye.
Bye.